just a bit of an update as to where the observatory is. Everything at the moment is in a bit of a mess. See, cables everywhere. I'm in the process of a rewire. So this is the observatory as it is at the moment. As you've seen in the previous shots before the video, I've now changed the setup of the scope. I've had this set up now for about 2 years. I've got an EQ8, not the new one unfortunately, with the nice additions. It's dual mounted with my Equinox 80 Pro with the guide scope on top and the default Nexstar 8 GPS, which is a C8 Smith-Cassegrain telescope. It's well balanced. I'm just about to do the rewire to get everything in place, so I will give you a update in a minute or two. Right, so that took longer than expected. I had some issues with the mount not being powered properly, I think, and it was making a grinding noise because of it. So I've rearranged where the power's coming from, and it seems to be okay now. So this is it parked in the home position, and the equipment I've got on there is I've got the Skywatcher Equinox Pro 80 with an Attic 1 with red, green, blue and luminance filters and a HA filter in there at the moment. And then I've got the DSLR just connected to the back of the Nexstar Smith-Cassegrain. I've got my dew heaters on top there. I don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit dark in here. And the bracket, if I wanted to mount the DSLR on top, it's all balanced. All my cables now come out the front and they clear in the full range, and they all go down to a USB 3 hub here. The USB 3 hub is connected to the Raspberry Pi here, and the Raspberry Pi then I remote onto that from the PC using Equinox ECOS. So the PC's here. I can now launch ECOS through K-Stars. So if I bring that onto the screen and then I start the ECOS manager, and then I can run the connection, and you can see it's detected all my equipment there straight away. Won't detect the DSLR because it's not turned on and it's not part of this profile at the moment, but that can be soon sorted out. If we want to see what's going on the PC, on the Raspberry Pi, I can launch the VNC viewer and you can see it's launched K-Stars on there and everything looks okay. So that's how I connect at the moment. Have anything else to let you know about, I will do. Okay, thanks.